Hey, it's Travis from UTV Window Tint. Today we got a 25 Can-Am Defender with the factory window tint. So you could see that the rear window tint is a little bit darker than this front window tint. I get a lot of questions on what would make this match. So what we're going to do today is we have a tint meter. We're going to slip this over the top of the windows and we're going to show you what the front is and what the rear is. And then we're going to show you what you would need to get to make these match pretty close. So we're going to slip this tint meter over the top. And on these rear windows, it reads out at 14.8%. And on these front windows, it's actually reading out at a 55%. So, with that being said, what we would need to do is get out our calculator. We're going to take 5.5 and times it by the film we want to put over the top of it. So, I think we would put a 35% over the top of it, gets us to 19.2%. And that'd be within 3 to 4% of these, which is going to make it really close. So, today, this customer wants these to match. We're actually going to tint these with a 35% film. And then after, we'll show you how close this is and how well it matches. And we'll actually do a reading afterwards and show you what that looks like. All right, so I just got done tinting this. So this had factory rear tint here. It had the light tint here. The newer machines, they just announced the Can-Am 26s are now going to be that same way. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this to our website. It's going to be this window, this window, this window on both sides in the 35%. You can get it in carbon, ceramic, or Apex for the heat rejection. And it's going to match front to rear. So now this is about a 14%. This is about like an 18, 19%. So you can see how close they look. It completes the look of this machine. So these are available for your do-it-yourselfers at UtvWindowTint.com. Check it out. These kits will be updated and on there. The pricing is going to be amazing. So check it out.
All right, I'm just going to show you guys a quick rundown of how to tint these two fronts. This is a fast rundown. We have other videos on our YouTube channel to show you how to do it. This is a different machine, but same thing. So basically, we're just going to go through, we're going to clean all this area up where anywhere the film could potentially touch. So we want to clean this around. I'm razor blading the glass and then I'm squeegeeing it off. You're just going to place that in there. It fits really nice. It slips behind the gasket pretty easily. So if you order the pink install tool, this will make your install a lot easier. We're going to do that rear quarter window now. Same thing, razor blade the glass, squeegee it out, and then install your film with soapy water. So the soapy water mix just needs to be clean. You can see it fits down there with the install gasket install tool. You can slip the film behind there. This is the front window. So we'll just prep the whole area, spray soapy water behind the seals, razor blade all of the glass, including behind the gaskets, wipe your top edge off, razor blade the whole window completely and thoroughly, and then come back with a squeegee this out, and then we're anchoring this to the outside of the machine. So we're going to spray soapy water, peel that halfway, carry it in the machine, install it so we have a nice top edge. Squeegee it all up, roll up the window, spray soapy water, and tuck that film behind there. So check out this kit. It's live on the website right now, UtvWindowTint.com.